Hi, I'm Cindy, and the interest I chose was Eskrima. I've been doing Eskrima ever since I was 8. Eskrima, also known as Arnis and Kali, is a form of Filipino martial arts based off the use of weapons such as knives, sticks, and improvisation of the arms. In 1512, Spaniards invaded the Philippines, leading up to them destroying Philippine culture by burning books and forbidding the use of their native language. In the Spaniards' conquest of the Philippines, they did not allow them to arm themselves. Little did they know, Filipinos had created Eskrima. Science is everywhere. Early Eskrimadors showed the application of science and its principles when creating their unique martial art. Through the utilization of physics, Newton's first law states, a body in motion remains in motion, a body at rest remains at rest, unless acted upon by a force. When in combat, parrying redirects the attack away from you, or if you counter the attack, you stop it. Newton's second law says, force equals mass times acceleration. In Eskrima, the force is determined by the weight of the weapon, which is the mass. The acceleration is determined by the person. What is their speed and strength level? Newton's third law states, for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. The action is the strike, while the reaction is the stop and counter-strike. This is demonstrated when Eskrimadors use sinawali or sombrada, a pattern flow to improve partner sparring. Eskrima also improves brain cognition and teaches mental skills including perseverance, mental toughness, discipline, and confidence. This all applies to any other martial art as well. Filipinos started immigrating to the U.S. in the 20s, primarily on the West Coast in Hawaii and California. Angel Cabales, Mike Anai, and Daniel Santo are a few examples of Filipinos in the 60s who started to share Eskrima outside of the origin community. If you look at action pictures from as early as the 70s, they have been influenced and used Eskrima. Recent movies such as Dune, Marvel's Black Widow, and the Jason Bourne films. Eskrimadors developed a proven and highly effective martial system that has lasted for generations and stood the test of real-world practical use.